Jeff here. So people often ask me, what can you burn in the wood oven? And pretty much anything. So I'm going to go over that right here. We use a lot of crushed paper, fine. Okay, there's a bunch of sticks and twigs. This is split white oak. This is birch. Variety of hardwood down there. It all goes in, it all burns. Very, very simple. So to start building your oven, fire for your oven here, you start with a variety of different sticks. Okay, and when you think you got enough stuff in there, add one more stick. All right, this thing going here. That's it. Another thing I like to use is a bellow. Yeah, it's looking good. We'll be cooking in about 20 to 30 minutes. And that is what the fire looks like after 20 minutes. Please watch the next video. So now we use a pizza brush. Move the ashes to the back. Sweep it out. Ready for the pizza. Ah, the first pizza going in. Yeah, looking good. Please like, share, subscribe, support the sponsor. Have a great day. Keep cooking. Yeah.